Good evening, my fellow SAP students. What I wanted to talk to you about this evening with regard to SAP is whenever you are working in SAP has three main components with it. And these components are going to be create, define, and assign. So any transaction that you do within SAP will have those three components of create, define, and assign. So obviously I'm still a student of SAP, so I can't tell you everything. But being a student of SAP, I have designed my own personal lesson plan, and based upon my lesson plan, I have designed my lesson plan for SAP FICO based upon what my instructor has given me and information that I have also gotten off of the internet with regard to SAP FICO. So basically, just some of the transactions that we will do within SAP that involve create, define, and assign are number one, which I didn't number these because, this is new, and as I learn more about SAP, I'm probably going to change it, so I didn't put a number on it. But the first thing that you would do would be to create company. The second thing that you would do would be to create the company code. After you create the company code, then you would have to define the company code. And after you define the company code, you would have to assign the company to the company code. The next thing that you would do is you would create your fiscal year variant. After you created your fiscal year variant, then you would have to define your fiscal year variant. After you defined your fiscal year variant, then you would assign the company code to the fiscal year variant. And I'm not going to go through every single routine because you can go through one of the many SAP training plans for SAP FICO, and you can find all of the routines that you would be required to be knowledgeable of, and then you could put all of these routines into the category of create, define, and assign. And as you can see, I've gone down the list, and I've gone down the list that I personally have written down for my personal training plan, and all of these routines will fall into create, define, or assign. And as I learn more about SAP, no doubt I will change it, and but this is just what I've done as a rough draft, just to help me with my studies. So I hope you've gotten something out of this presentation, and you know about the three main elements of work within SAP are create, define, and assign. Goodbye.